Hi there, hope you are doing well. I have set up your both dashboard. I am recording this video to show you how this system is working. So first of all, this is a main dashboard name, then this dashboard overview, like information how we use this dashboard, then welcome message here, then here you can see two dashboard. First variable manifest and second paid manifest dashboard. Here is the database, main database. This is important. And let's discuss first variable manifest dashboard. So in this dashboard, when we open this dashboard, so in starting, here is the welcome message, and then here is the pages of this database, like daily tracker, generating prompt, and EFT last 7-day tracker. So here is the information about these pages, and let's open this first one, daily tracker. So in this daily tracker, here's the table, like day, routine, date, guideline, and so more. Then second is journaling. So here is the use of this. Then done, area, prompt, your script in notes section. Then next is EFT. So in EFT, here is the information, and here you put uh, like a PDF file and other file. Then here the 7 days tracker, like dates, morning, date, item, guideline, and these more. So these are pages, and here database of this dashboard, like daily routine, general, and library, and 7 days guideline. So let's discuss second paired dashboard. So in this dashboard, first like welcome message, then this, then navigation bar, and these are pages, like 7 days guideline. Let's discuss first one. So here series in table view, like the theme, video link, status, and description. Then next page is this one. So here step into mode, then select mode, with category, prompt, your input, and status, then identity shift, formulas, energy, will, and journaling information, database in view. Then next is money and abundance resist. So here we put upload PDF file and so more. Then here is the information, and these are level. Then journaling prompt, then general prompt, instruction, note section, etc. Then next page is wonderful. So in this page, like journaling database, these database will be shown here. Then daily and weekly tracker. So in this tracker, daily routine tracker will be shown here, and weekly tracker will be shown here. And then last one is FAQ section. So in FAQ section, all put like we can put here FAQs with answer in this area section. So this is overview of both dashboard, and view this structure, and let me know if you need any further changes and help. I am ready to help you further. Thank you.